Most Nissan key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery to power remote locking, unlocking, and panic functions. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. First, locate the seam or screw on the fob's back. Gently open the case. Some have a small notch for prying, others a screw. Remove the old battery, noting the polarity with positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery. Snap the case shut. Avoid using rechargeable batteries as they can cause malfunctions. Test the functionality after replacement by pressing buttons near the vehicle. Older Nissan models before 2010 might use CR2025 batteries. Always check your owner's manual for model-specific details. When replacing your Nissan key fob battery, use OEM batteries for reliability. Non-compatible cells often cause issues. Ensure the new battery has a voltage of 3 volts. Be careful of electrostatic discharge when handling the fob. Automotive key technology is shifting towards smartphone apps with digital keys via NFC or Bluetooth, reducing the need for physical fobs and batteries. Some newer Nissan models incorporate Bluetooth integrated digital keys via smartphone apps, reducing reliance on physical batteries. As discarded CR2032 batteries contribute to e-waste, recycle them at auto parts stores. If your fob is damaged, it might need replacement. If you have a warranty, consult your dealership to avoid voiding coverage.